here in the fourth set, 8-4. It is Ateneo against Perpetual. We are at the fourth set. Good afternoon. I'm Noreen Go together with Mozi Ravenna and Miyaka Lim. Oh, no coverage there for Perpetual.
And then Ateneo just getting another point. Well, Lazaro, 11 digs. Herbacio with 8.
Wow.
Partner. On the other side naman, Junela with 6. Doubling that is Sartin with 12. Diba? Nagkabaliktad.
Oh nga, change na in roll. Well, Boli gets that kill for Perpetual. 5 serving 9.
Oh, Lazaro easily taking that.
Oh, good read by Manzano and Tobino. Right. You're right, Lazaro. Just make it look easy, no? Chop serve yan ni Boli.
You know why? Footwork eh. Diba? Nauuna yung yung feet niya to stabilizing herself bago kunin yung bola.
Yeah,
yung iba kasi,
right.
diba, parang sinasabay eh. Cannot be. Dapat talaga legs muna.
Oh, another error by Ateneo.
Calculus yata dapat. Magaling ka sa calculus.
So may physics na tayo. We have calculus.
Hirap ng volleyball.
Boli again with that high toss. Herbacio.
That touches the antenna. Point goes to Ateneo. Ateneo just with a 3-point lead in this fourth set.
But you know, it's nice also to see Herbacio and Kainglet playing at the same time. Before, they used to relieve each other. Diba? One would play the first set, the other play the second set.
Actually, a lot of new combinations from Coach Chara Soriano in this conference. Madami siyang tinatry. She's not afraid to mix it up. And plus, you see a lot of patongan now.
Yes.
The Alisa Valdez just doing wonders, diba?
Well, Manzano with that kill for Perpetual, 8 serving 10. Lazaro, Ferrer, Valdez. Again.
Just too much.
That's right, and you're taking advantage of the fact that Argarian's the one blocking.
Making it pass through her. Well, Ateneo, 8 blocks so far, while Perpetual 10 in this game. 3 coming from Manzano.
Wow. Lazaro, Ferrer, Valdez again. Junela
there.
Ferrer back to Valdez. Oh.
Junela just a bit too late for, it's a bit late for that dig. Konti na lang eh.
But the angle of Valdez really is hard to receive. Nasa gitna.
Well,
with
you see
blockers,
her, plus kasi when you see her, she's a high leaping ability. Plus, ang ganda eh, has the tendency to see where the open area is up in the air.
With coffee pa yan.
Oh, with newspaper and crossword puzzle. And this is really, that is really the way to go. Kailangan madiskarte yung setter. Diba? Ng Perpetual.
Which is what Jem Ferrer is doing pretty well today, at least.
Oh, and Sartin. Not enough spin. Throwing that away.
Ateneo increasing their lead now, 14-8. Herbacio. I was about to say, actually, she's been serving well. I didn't say anything.
Ano ka pa? Double whammy. Ma-take 2 ka pa.
Yeah. Oh, good reception. And wow, what a save by Boli.
You really feel that she wants this game. She wants a win. Tama siya, she's a winner. She just wants to win whatever way she can help the team and whatever team.
Whatever team. Ferrer, Valdez. Oh, good block coverage was there. Valdez again, another block. Ferrer.
That was well read.
Oh! Well, she had the right thing in mind, though. Actually, walang tao na doon, but she wasn't able to put it there. So, De Jesus.
Poor execution lang coming from Argarin.
That's right. A substitution, De Jesus in for Patnongon.
As the elevator sends it wide on the first serve.
Sartin now serving for Perpetual. Boli is back in front, together with Kisin.
That's the bad news. The good news and the bad news. Oh, and Cassini with delay gets that point.
Well, 16-11, Ateneo ahead. We'll be back.